Welcome to Beardchanics garage. In today's TouRAT episode, we finally put custom registration plate on the TouRAT, and I'll give you a quick tour around because the body has evolved since you last seen it. The new one are square, so we are going to have to find, spots that make sense for them. Maybe we'll prepare it, at least leave a bit of the hole there, get some fresh air in. But yeah, I'm going to pierce some holes, probably just at the top. Yeah. Same for the other one, and then I'll actually show you what the number is. And keep in mind the registration number, I always go for the cheapest one. So it's a normal length UK number, and I never do fancy plate either. I'm already on the edge of legality here, so I try to make them happy and still have a full UK registration plate. And the all goes and a bit of history, and then boom, that is a new number. If you wonder about the top and you haven't guessed that I'm French yet, it's essentially le rat. But yeah, that is the new registration plate for TouRAT. I'll have to put some funky stuff here to fill up, but otherwise, change wise, we spray painted some bit here and there, few dots. TouRAT. It's got eyes now. And the major part is I wasn't happy with the amount of rust on the car, so as you can see here, that panel basically attacked a lot more here, made the area a lot bigger there as well. And here on the blue, it's actually with pen stripper, and I quite like it because it's actually a nice patina. Which does the sender only. It's actually quite hard to, best you kind of end up like that, if it looks a bit too, handmade. Where here, obviously on a car like this, it's clear it's done on purpose, but yeah, kind of like the different panels. So yeah, this still needs to rust a lot more. I didn't do the instant rust, we literally just throw salt on it every time it rains. The back is more or less the same. I think we attacked it a bit more, a bit of like pen strippers there as well. And here basically before, you can still see the line, the line here. Basically sanded all of the bottom to have a bigger area. At the back, I'm not sure the plate, it's the best one there. I kind of look at there, but at the same time I could not really be asked too much, and there is enough to move. At least I've done the change so I can legally drive it. But yeah, a bit more spray painting on the side. Again here, more area covered, more area covered. Oh no, I just bashed. So that's basically, we're going to see an episode on that soon. That's what's going to make the roof rack. And I did a little guy on the other side, and look, we actually have, that was the idea of my kid. I think it's pretty cool, actually kind of like wanted to do more leaf patch, but so too, why not doing some of that? And as you can see, those actually grow quite happily on the car, and it sounds quite nicely. I do wonder if it's going to spread or not. That would be mega cool. And here, interior is still the same bollocks. Here, this is where we are going to put the roof rack. And yeah, the bonnet is evolving a bit. As you can see, like even the inside starting to rust a bit here and there. And you can see here the rust is coming through the lacquer as well. I didn't put any rust retardant, which I probably need to do at some point if I don't want it to go all the way in, but bonnet is quite thick, so yeah, you know, I think that's pretty much it on things you haven't seen yet. Yeah, thank you for watching. The next episode on the TouRAT will be about the roof rack, and yeah, plenty of more stuff coming up. If it's your first video here, go have a browse on the channel. There is plenty of stuff going on, plenty of projects, and you know, subscribe if you are interested. Yeah, this is a weird outro, but you know, most people don't watch it, so who cares? Alright, bye.